Alright, we're going to start off with this tutorial and introducing you guys to OneDrive. OneDrive is basically a cloud-based storage system that allows you to store all of your files in a safe and secure location so that you can access it anywhere, not just on this computer but on your phone and any other computer you can log into with your school email account and password, since it's part of the Microsoft Office suite that we have as a school district. So the first thing that we're going to do as we get started is we're going to go ahead and open the App Store. As the App Store is pulling up and initializing, go to the top right corner where it says search, and you can just type in OneDrive right there, one word, two words, doesn't matter. It's going to pull it up. And then in the top left corner, you'll see OneDrive. It's a productivity app. We'll go ahead and click Get there, and then Install App will pop up. As we install the app, it should ask you to sign in. You'll notice that the blue button says buy. Buy is not, you are not purchasing anything because it's a free app. You just have to click buy, just to verify your information and things like that. Again, this is just a preference where you can choose what you want it to be. It is installing. It's going to take a few minutes to install. It will install in your launch pad. So once it says open, so you can either click open here or you can go to your launch pad and it will be installed with a blue dot beside it, which tells you it's a new one. So from that point, what we're going to do is we're going to click on it from our launch pad. And as we do that, you'll have two clouds that pop up in the menu bar up top, and then you'll also get this box. From this box, you want to enter your email address, which is going to be your school email address. Because of the system that we have, unless you purchase Microsoft Office for your home, this will be the way that you have access to it. Once you click sign in, it will give you a few options. It may take a minute. There we go. I did have to click on the two clouds at the bottom to get that to pull up. It's going to ask you for your password again because it notices that it's a work or school account. And then click sign in. Once you do that, it says this is your OneDrive folder, and it tells you to choose OneDrive folder location. Go ahead and click on choose. And when you click on choose, you want to choose this location here, which is just underneath your name up top. So we're going to choose this location, which just puts it under your name, so it's going to be easily accessible there. Click next, and then you come up with this option where it's asking you what do you want to sync from your computer to your OneDrive folder. You can either click all files and folders to my OneDrive, so basically everything that's in your documents, your desktop, or anywhere else on your computer it will sync, or you can choose folders to sync. Once you click that, that will pop up and you can check which box to sync. This setting is changeable at any point in time from the preferences within OneDrive, and I will show you that in just a second. For time's sake, we're going to not sync anything right now, just so we can go ahead and move forward. I recommend clicking open at login so the files sync automatically, and then you can go ahead and open your file, open your folder there. There's nothing in it, so there's nothing for us to do at this point in time. So to show you a little bit more about what we can do, if you go to Finder, you should have Finder up top and click on Preferences. From Preferences, you have a sidebar tab. At that sidebar tab, you want to click on your home name right there so that it pulls up whenever you have items. So from your home name, then you can get to your OneDrive folder. I recommend taking it and dragging it over here so that it will always be there when you open your Finder. So now OneDrive is on your computer. You can come up to the two clouds and click on them, and you have preferences. And again, at these preferences, that is where I can click on account, choose folders, and then I can choose to sync everything again from there. So you don't have to sync it at the same time, but you can sync it at any point in time you want, and you can choose what you want to do. Your OneDrive is now on your computer, and as long as these two clouds are at the top, you know OneDrive is working. Thank you.